Let's see how to insert page border in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert your page border, simply head on over to the Design tab. And here on the far right, you'll see under the page background option that you have the option to edit or place a page border. Now, if we click on that, that will open up a new window showing the different options for your page border and shading. Now, for this one, let's say that we want to just put the standard box around our page. And what that will look like when we click OK is just a solid straight line along the edges of the page. Now, we can also edit this. And let's say we want to change it into a dotted line or make it thicker, for example. You'll also have the option to choose a shadow or a 3D page border. And as you'll see, that will also change the preview right here whenever you change something. Now, let's say we want to put a shadow page border and change this one into a straight line. And there you go. And that is how you can put a page border in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.